So hey, I'm back up here Bear Ridge, and pretty much where we left off last time, except for since then we've gotten some snow. Some of it's melted, some more has come down, and then anyway, today, although I still see there's a little bit of water here, it's not supposed to get above 31 degrees Fahrenheit today. So I thought this would be a good day to get back up here while it's in the 20s, and the ground is hard. But what I'm finding is that though most of the ground is hard, the ground that I want to be hard so that I can finish the job, it doesn't appear to be very, it seems to be softer than I wanted it to be. So I don't know, we'll still try. I'm gonna still keep working this area out here. It's looking pretty good. I'm happy with how it's turning out. There's a lot of little, I think once I get more of this little stuff cleared, and this connecting place, you know, right here, because this is where the other side's opened up. It's just this middle ground in here that was so mushy last time and so thick. Let's get started on that. It's a little cold. We got a little bit of work to do here first though, because the last time I used this, where I was that the not only did I break off a shearing bolt last time, I must have hit something pretty badly, because the two blades got intertangled and locked into one another, and so I've got to figure out how to get them apart. I tried with a big stick the other day, but today I brought a little bit more leverage, and so I'll mess with that. Hopefully I get that, and then we'll get started with this effort. All right, thanks for coming along. Welcome to TWC Projects. All right, so let me give you a little bit of an update here. Even though it's still 30 degrees, the sun is hitting here just right, and as you can see, it is definitely not frozen. I got a little stuck in here again. Not bad. I kind of saw it coming and was able to get out of it, but I'm afraid if I try to come out here, as soon as I lift one of these logs, I'm just going to sink right in. In fact, walking out through there just to try to trim up that tree sunk my whole foot right into my ankle, so I'm not going to do that. So what I decided to do is bring the excavator down, since the hillside is still frozen nicely, so that was good. I figured I needed to come down here and try to deal with some of these stumps, as well as these mounds that I guess were probably once stumps as well. And the tractor's not going to do that, so the excavator will dig these up and level it out and get a little nicer here. And then I can probably get over in there with the excavator and get those logs out enough so that then I can get them with the tractor and throw them up on the pile over here. I'm not sure what I'm doing with them yet, but I'm just going to pile them up for now and figure it out later. My goal really was to try to clear that area out there. And that's the plan right now. It's going well, looking good, getting more and more cleared out. And I'm just glad to have some of those. I've got a few dead trees still over there, but I got most of them, as you saw, and that feels good just because they are, it's always kind of breezy up here or windy, and no need to have those things. That one of them was really definitely I probably could have pushed it over with the tractor easily, just leaned up against it, would have fallen over. But so let's get to it with the excavator and keep making progress here. All right, take two. I just realized that what I recorded just now didn't take. I'm glad I checked it. So look, we got a lot done today. It's very cold. It was under 30 all day, but for some reason the ground down here was warmer. It didn't freeze. Everywhere else it stayed frozen, but that's all right. Still made a lot of progress because the excavator with the tracks can go into these muddy places. I just went ahead and brought it out and did all the stuff. I was getting stuck everywhere with the tractor if I tried to come in, even right here where I was going last week. Today I tried to go and I got stuck. So, but opened it up through here. Looks great. Took the excavator also down on the other side and pulled up a lot of stumps and leveled out the humps so that we can get around. My goal is in the spring when this stuff all starts growing back in, I can come out here with the rotary cutter and not have to worry about hitting stumps or the humps and so forth, so I can kind of keep it cleared down. So looking really good. Oop, I gotta watch my step, I'll get stuck in mud here. Just give you a little bit of a walk around so you can see. Cleared a little bit more over here today. Got a lot of this stuff cleared up, and it's looking good, including the stumps and the humps and the bumps. And still a little bit muddy and ruddy out here, so it's gonna be probably until it starts to dry out a little bit. But boy, it's looking great. You can see all the way down through. So excited. This is what I had in my mind. And there was a lot of stuff between what I had in my mind and what you see now. So I'm glad that stuff is gone. Worked on my bridge a little bit too with the excavator, but I don't know that I'm gonna get up over that hill anytime soon. I'm just gonna leave the equipment down here because this is where I'm working the most right now. So, and there's still more to do down here, but I really appreciate you coming along with me. Even though it's super cold, but it doesn't matter. When I'm outdoors creating things, fixing things, and enjoying God's creation, doesn't matter. It's fantastic, and I'm having a great time doing it. I hope you are too, coming along and seeing the progress, seeing the vision start to come to life. We've got a long way before we'll be building a home still, but that's all right. I'm slow rolling it right now. This is a weekend thing, so thanks so much for joining me. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, please do. Hit the bell to get notified when new ones come out. Thumbs up if you like it. Share with a friend. So I really appreciate you being with me, and I hope to see you again next week. Until then, though, have a fantastic week, and I'll see you on the next project.